Welcome to PNK Stocks YouTube channel. Today we'll see RSI indicator trading, relative strength index. It will show you the strength of the positiveness or else the negativeness or else sideways. For this, we'll use two strategies. And this is the strategy one thing and next video will be the strategy two. So we keep on running for different strategies. Instead of we stick to one strategy. If not today, in coming month, we'll be mastering in one thing and we'll be making money. So better stick to one strategy. Even this RSI strategy is the two that I'm going to explain will get you full confidence and up to 80% or beyond our success rate. So for RSI trading, indicator trading, what we do, we use EMAs 3, 8 EMA, 21 EMA, 34 EMA. Time frame to use this RSI indicator 15 minutes chart, 30 minutes chart, 60 minutes chart and daily chart. 15 minutes, 30 minutes can be used for intraday purpose, sometimes even 60 minutes as well, but mainly 60 minutes and daily will be used for swing or positional trading. RSI readings will start from 0 to 100 and 0 to 40 shows it's a bearishness. 40 to 60 it will show as a sideways market and 60 to 100 will show as a positive market. Let us see in the graphical interpretation. This is RSI 0 to 100 and 40 to 60. This ash color shows if price is there and the RSI indicator is here, it shows that it will be in the sideways. So better not to trade in this zone. When price falls below to 40 and you have a good candlestick pattern or else any strategy showing bearishness, you can enter. 40 to 20 is a high bearishness. The same kind of a thing will be even 20 to 0 as well, but there is a possibility of moving up. This is called oversold zone. So anytime price will move up. To be specific, 40 to 20 is bearishness, high bearishness, and 20 to 0 as well, high bearishness, but there is any possibility of price will moving up. Similarly, 60 to 40 we discussed as it's a sideways market. When price moves up, there will be a strong bullishness, and 60 to 80 very strong bullishness. Even 80 to 100 also strong bullishness, but anytime price will come down. So we should be careful when price is 80 to 100. This is called overbought zone. Anytime prices will move downwards. Let us see how this will work. So we'll get on to TradingView platform. I'm making everything, taking out all the indicators. So this is the, we'll keep it Nifty chart. This is the Nifty chart. And we are keeping RSI indicator. RSI indicator, the changes what we made is input, we are not touching anything, we are keeping as it is. In the style section, by default it will be 70, it will be 30. So we made 60 to 40. 60 to 40 levels, what we discussed is the sideways market. We make it dark. So now we made two lines here to make 40 to 60. That is a no trade zone. So we'll trade only when below 40 or else above 50. So that is the main key point in this trading, where we can eliminate lot of losing trades. If you trade in between 40 to 60, there is high chances this price will go up, come back and hit your SLs. Now apart from this, for the confirmation, we are adding one more thing, EMS. As we discussed, we are adding three EMS that we already discussed in our previous video. This is the EMIs: input 8, 21, 34. These are all Fibonacci numbers that what we discussed last time: 8, 21, 34. And these are the colors that what we given for these three lines. To show you that how I got one indicator contain three EMIs is, three EMAs in one indicator. If you select this in one indicator, you will be getting all the three. Right? Now how to trade? As criteria is today RSI, so I am making bit bigger on RSI side. We'll go backwards. So we should not trade when price is in this. We need to wait something like this and we need to trade. So here this is the point price come below 40. Okay, so our entry should be here and our SL should be on top of it, top of the three EMIs or whatever. See, we should take this as well, but this is the previous day's thing. So on the particular day, high we need to take. And we can trade 1:1 in this, even bit more. We'll see one more example in this. See, why we added 3 EMIs is this will indicate trend as well. If you see 3 EMAs are falling and there is a gap in between, that means there is a very good bearishness. Hope we understand. So when price comes down and takes gone in between EMAs and taking support and again falling, that is the trading plan. This is the SL and see here, this candle come down. From this candle, RSI come below 40. So this is the entry. Risk to reward 1:1, 1:2, 1:1.5, 1:3, whatever that you plan, you need to stick to that. If that goes and hit your SL, you should not worry. So this is the risk to reward. Got good risk to reward. See this. 3 EMAs crossover, then 3 lines giving good difference in between each EMA line. And price come below 40 here. See, very tough to come up to this level. So for that, what we need to do, when you enter and price first fall down and taken up, again there is a bearishness, your SL will be at your cost. When price gone up, come down, again gone up, not up to that level. Lower high, lower low, again lower high is very less. Then your target SL should come down. And when price moves down, bring your target SL here. And you got 1 is to 1, 1 is to 1.5. Each candle wise you can trail your SL. After this candle formation, and when this candle forms completes, then you put your target SL here. After this candle completes and this candle formation, bring your SL here. Like that you can trail. After this candle formation, you can bring your SL here, and that time price reversed and your SL hit here. By then you got 1 is to 2 kind of a ratio. Let us see in Bank Nifty. EMS crossover, there is a gap in between, and in this candle there is a RSI below 40. So see, this candle you can't judge EMI's width, actually differences, but we are putting our entry here after this candle formation, and second candle or third candle our entry is getting activated. We should not keep SL on above to the candle. We need to keep SL on top of the EMIs on first candle itself if we get an entry on particular day, or else on the crossover of EMS. So when this fall happen, taken again lower high, price is coming down, your SL will come from here to here. After this, when it is market coming down, your target SL will come down. Then candle by candle, because we got 1 is to 1 or more than that, candle by candle, candle by candle, up to here you will be trailing. Here your SL will be activated. Once your entry happened based on RSI below 40, if RSI moving up, you should not worry. Only we need to worry when RSI again crosses above 40. See here, when RSI crosses above 40, then only our target SL met. So in general, what we need to do, if you are working with 2 lots or more, at 1 is to 1, exit 50% of your lots. Say you are working with 10 lots, exit 5 lots at 1 is to 1. Then you can trail and you can exit rest of the lots on each 25 points or 50 points or whatever that, but you should fix for all the strategies how you want to trade. Now as last 3 weeks we are having heavy bearishness, we'll go little away and we'll see how to trade on buy side. Can you see here, market is started moving up, there is a big bullish candle, and then there is a consolidation, all of a sudden a big buying candle. With 3 EMAs itself we are getting green signal to enter into the market. At the same time RSI signals above 60, that means heavy bullishness. Can you see it's showing green? That time entry SL. 1 is to 1, exit somewhere here 50% of your trades. 1 is to 2, exit, then you need to trail by candle by candle. You bring this one here, here, you might have got your SL here. This candle come down. So from here to here, you got almost 1 is to 3 or 1 is to 4. It's a good trade. As we already seen the bearish thing, let us see one more positive thing. Have you checked here? RSI above 40 and price also EMIs crossed above, and there is a difference between EMIs. So one more thing is that if you see this kind of a big differences, you should not exit 1 is to 1 risk to reward. There is a high chances that a big candle comes up and moves market up every time, you see. So I'll tell you, see, above 40, above 60 and green candle. This is your entry, and your second or third candle might have hit your entry. Your entry is activated. This is the SL. Now just see the difference between 8 and 13 and 13 and 34. 8, 21, 34. These three differences lines are not even close to each other. There is a big gap. In that case, you can blindly wait. When to wait? After entry, price moves up. Bring your SL to at your cost or even 5-10 points above to that. Now relax and wait. Just check how the market is panning out. When to exit? When price dips below 60 and at least one candle is red after closing 60 below. That time you can exit blindly. May say somewhere here. Just check the risk to reward. We got 1 is to 10 or more. Can you see 11, 1 is to 11 kind of a risk to reward. You are putting your 2000 as a risk. You are getting 22,000 profit in Bank Nifty. My suggestion, as Bank Nifty lot size is now 15 points. So those who are doing equities can work with one lot of Bank Nifty. See what I said in the beginning of the videos, we should not get into futures and options. But for stocks, we need to search for the stocks, different ways to get those stocks every day, which could be problem for some people. Instead of that, we can work only on a Nifty and Bank Nifty index options. We can add Fin Nifty as well, Financial Nifty. These three we can work and we can mint money. And we can do intraday, positional, some option strategies as well. Very soon I'll be starting option series as well. But you are pro, you have 2 years of experience, and then you have hands-on experience, and you will be you are successful in the market at least 60-70%. Then you can work with the options, that too only on index options, not on stock options. You can enter in the index options only when you are successful about 60 to 70%. At least out of 10 trades, 6 are hits. And then you can jump into index options and you can use this strategy, what we discussed. Let us see one more, stock thing as we are doing much on equities. We'll pick one stock. Let us say Wipro. So we worked only EMI strategy. That time we discussed that when EMIs cross over and one big buying candle entry. The same thing we entered and see whether it crosses RSI above 60. Yes. SL below to that. Can you check the SL? It's almost 6 points, 5 points. So at least 1 is to 1, 510, 415, sorry. Immediately when we get another candle and price moves down, taken support on 8 EMA and moved up, our SL will come to above to the cost and below to that lower high we call it. And when price moved and come to 1 is to 1 or even more, we'll be exiting. Similarly, if you want to trade on bearishness, our rule, price should come below 40. EMI crossover happened in the next candle. See here, we are targeting this one. Even though we are putting marks here, but the same price level we got it here. We may not get into here. If you got here, then our SL almost above to the EMI high. And this is the one low, so we can keep this low as target here and you can trial and you can exit, might be somewhere in this candle high, this below candle. When you see other green candle forming, we should exit. See here also RSI gone above 40 and moved up. So hope you understand this strategy. Please pause this video, subscribe my channel, like this video, forward this video to your known friends and put a comment in the comment section what you feel. Don't put negative comments. Just clarify with me if you have any questions. After clarification, you find that still I'm not at all up to your expectations, then you can add whatever comment that you want. But before checking with me, if you put wrong comment, that may not be helpful because understanding levels are different. My understanding level versus your understanding level, you may be pro trader. I started this channel for only less than 2 years experienced people from beginner to. If you are above, then obviously this strategy may not be that attractive to you because you are become pro trader. Without indicators itself you can trade. But this channel is created only for those who are struggling in the market, who are beginners who want to come into the market. If you see across, everyone want to sell the strategies. These are all strategies, are paid strategies from other people, and we took the training way back 10, 15 years back, and we are still upgrading our skills, and we are fine tuning them, we are back testing them, and if these strategies are only working, then we are bringing that to you people. So use this on your benefit, and help my YouTube channel also grow. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.